Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we have a 2017 Grand i10 with us. So let's see what and all we have done on this one. So without any further ado, let's start the video guys. So starting with the grill, we have wrapped the grill into gloss black, and even the eyelets we have put a black sticker here, and here in the front below the number plate we have added 3-in-1 flashes which can be controlled by a remote, which I'll show you to you later on in the video. Talking about the headlights, we have changed them to night eye LEDs. Even the fog lights we have changed into night eye LEDs. Which comes with the 3 years warranty. Moving to the side of the car, you can see this beautiful Lenzo wheels. So basically this car comes with a 14-inch wheel, so we have changed the size into 15 now. So we have put this Lenzo D Project wheels, and we have changed the tire also. We have put Yokohama tires with the size of 195 50 R15, and we have painted the calipers into red. And you can see this beautiful line moving all over the car. We have also wrapped the mirrors to gloss black, and we have added these side splitters also, which again give this car a very good look. Coming to the back of the car, again we have wrapped the logo in gloss black. We have tinted our tail lights as well as the reflectors, and here is our logo again. So this is how the car looks. On the top we have added this is a shark fin antenna, and we have wrapped the whole roof into a gloss black. So that's it for the outside of the car guys. Looks really good. So I'll let you know what and all we have done on the interior. So I'll take you all inside the car. So as soon as you open the door, the first thing you'll notice is this Momo seat covers, which we have installed on the driver's seat. And here you can see the armrest. You can check the quality guys, really good one. And you have storage space inside also. And let me sit inside. Yes, guys, so we are inside the car now. So see, first of all you can see this beautiful heads-up display, which is directly connected to the OBD port. Just a sec. See, the wire comes here and goes directly to the OBD port of the car. Wrapped this steering, as you can see. It gives a very good hold to the car. And talking about the system, this is the OE system what we get from the company. And on this car we have added 3D mats, as you can see here. Since this is a small car, we didn't want to waste much space on subwoofer and all. So what we have done is we have put a subwoofer under this seat. So below this seat, I'll just show you all. You can just see. This is a Red Soul under seat subwoofers. I'll just play this song for you all. So yeah guys, and this one as I told you all in the beginning, this is the remote of that 3-in-1 flashes. So I'll just show you how it works. Okay, this is the remote of this 3-in-1 flashes. I'll just change the modes and show you. So this is a steady mode, and I'll just change it to cop light now. See, you can see this is a cop light now. Again white, cop, flash, and again off this here. So yeah, I'll just keep this in. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you all like the video. If at all you liked it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel. So if at all you are looking for any kind of accessories, the link is given down in the description box. Please DM us on our Instagram, and even my contact number is given. So let me know whatever you want for your car. We give everything for best price. Thank you guys. Keep supporting.
Like a fighter, I am not outside.